Hello everyone, I thought we'd do a jigsaw geography quiz. I've got 25 questions which I'll read through, and it's up to you. You can write down your answers, you can shout them out, remember them, whatever's easiest for you. If you need to pause the video at any time to give yourself some more time, do so. And at the end I'll go through the answers with you. So if you're ready, question 1. In which American city is the Golden Gate Bridge located? Question 2. What is the capital of Thailand? Question 3. Cairo is the capital of which country? Question 4. What is the capital of Mexico? Question 5. Mount Everest lies in which mountain range? Question 6. Which is the largest country in the world? Question 7. The USA consists of how many states? Question 8. What is the name of the Great Park in New York City? Question 9. Which country has the largest population in the world? Question 10. What is the longest river in Africa? Question 11. Liverpool lies on which river? Question 12. Which desert covers much of northern Africa? Question 13. Which Italian city is famous for its canals? Question 14. In which country does the River Nile meet the sea? Question 15. What is the hottest continent on Earth? Question 16. Dublin is the largest city in which country? Question 17. What is the nickname for New York City? Question 18. Which large river flows through London? Question 19. Which country share the longest border in the world? That's which two countries share the longest border in the world? Question 20. What is the largest of the Channel Islands? Question 21. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which continent? Question 22. In which country would you find the Taj Mahal? Question 23. What is Ben Nevis? Question 24. What is the name of the supercontinent of 200 million years ago? Question 25. Apart from Dutch and French, what is the other official language of Belgium? And that's all your questions. If you need to pause it now and have some more time, that's fine, but I'm going to go through the answers. So the answer to question 1 was San Francisco. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in San Francisco. Number 2, the capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Question 3, Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Question 4, the capital of Mexico is Mexico City. Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. Number 6, the largest country in the world is Russia. Number 7, the US is made up of 50 states. Number 8, the park in New York City is Central Park. Question 9, the country that has the largest population in the world is China. Number 10, the longest river in Africa is the Nile. Liverpool lies on the River Mersey. The desert that covers most of northern Africa is the Sahara. 13, the Italian city famous for its canals is Venice. Question 14, in which country does the River Nile meet the sea? The answer is Egypt. 15, the hottest continent on earth is Africa. 16, Dublin is the largest city in Ireland. The nickname for New York City is the Big Apple. 18, the River Thames is what flows through London. Number 19, the 2 countries that share the longest border in the world are the USA and Canada. Number 20, the largest of the Channel Islands is Jersey. 21, Mount Kilimanjaro is in Africa. The Taj Mahal is in India. 23, Ben Nevis is a Scottish mountain and it's actually the tallest in Great Britain. 24, the supercontinent from 200 million years ago was called Pangaea. And last but not least, apart from Dutch and French, what's the other official language of Belgium? The answer is German. Well, I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Let us know what your score is and I hope you'll join us again soon. Bye.